All right, ladies and gents, I'm looking at Bitcoin. I'm on the daily chart. We are at $43,000 and going down. All right. So in my previous videos, if you are familiar with my channel, if you have been watching my videos, you would know I would talk about this neckline, this head and shoulders pattern, and that we would hit this neckline and of course potentially go down fromwards, and I was actually right about it, and we are pretty much on schedule. Remember last time during the last bull run, which is this one, we actually crashed for almost a year. So we are still in the middle of the crash. We started crashing in May-ish, or you can start from here from April, and we're still in the middle of the crash. I think we are a long way to go down, but as for a potential bottom, I think we'll find this previous high, which is $20,000 mark, will be a proper bottom value for Bitcoin, in my personal opinion. So far, I've been right about everything. If you guys want, you can watch my previous videos. So you might be wondering, okay, so what can I do right now? So people who are shorting Bitcoin, I know one person who has been shorting Bitcoin since April. I'm pretty sure he's making shit ton of money right now. So if you're gonna short Bitcoin, of course this is a good time, but I don't think shorting is allowed in most of the platforms that are available for Australia. But I'm pretty sure hedge funds and everyone is shorting this, because my friend told me that pretty much all the people that he knows are shorting Bitcoin, and I'm pretty sure they made a lot of money right now. And the other thing is, if you are trading this, I would not be entering, because we see a lot of volatility over here. The volume is however going down. That means there's not enough trading activity. We see a lot of retail traders exiting Bitcoin. But here's the thing, this does not mean that it's over for Bitcoin. All right, this is a correction. It happens with any security, it happens with property, it happens with commodities, it happens with stocks. So what you need to do is, if you recently got out, I'm pretty sure you've had stop losses in place. So right now, depending on the limit or the margin of your stop loss, you should be hitting it right about now. You should not be worried too much. I have Bitcoin. I got into Bitcoin around when it was $16,000. So even if it comes down to those levels, I highly doubt we'll go below 20k. So even if it comes down to $16,000, I would be buying more. I can't wait to buy more Bitcoin, because you know what, they're printing money like crazy and inflation is at an all-time high. It's gonna go up, and this is where crypto assets and these different NFTs and certain commodities and assets actually come into play. This is where you need to buy into Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we're going down. Again, I've been talking about this potential target, so we'll go around and we'll stop somewhere over here. This was the previous high, so we know previous highs becomes latest support, right? And of course this is actually a good time to buy. I would not be buying into Bitcoin right now, because it will be like catching a falling knife. So if you have Bitcoin and you're longer term, don't worry about none of this. Just stay chill like me, have a glass of Henny and just chill. So if you recently got into Bitcoin, make sure you have stop losses on, because to me it looks like this is gonna go down for a couple of months or maybe days. I don't think it'll be days, it'll be like weeks and months, because we're still in the middle of the crash. And of course, when it comes to $20,000, buy more. All right, I would not be trading at the moment because it's really volatile and risky, because to me it looks like going down. But of course, if you want to buy in 20k mark, it's a really good price target. Put a lot, don't put a lot, put a little bit, and wait for the best. So don't panic. This is the whole point. So you must be wondering. So I hope this video was helpful. I wanted to make it short and simple. So hopefully I'll keep making updates throughout this entire journey. So I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, happy trading.